Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for coming through. Please check out some of my other content, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified on future content as I put it out. So we are hanging here in the reptile room today with Rumpelstiltskin. He is looking magnificent. He is freshly shed. I came in today, and he had dropped a perfect shed, which is right here actually. Boom, full-on shed from Rumpelstiltskin over here. So today I noticed that a while ago I said that I was going to put out a video asking you all to ask questions because I had yet done a Q&A, and being that I am creeping up on about 700 subscribers slowly but surely, I definitely wanted to be able to go ahead and put this video out so that people who have been following me long term, who are new to following me, can ask me some questions either about myself and my personal life or about my animal, and how they came to be with me, or whatever questions you might have about them. So this is that video. It's been a long time coming, but I am finally getting this out while Rumpelstiltskin is having a little bit of a climb here. Figured I would go ahead and let you all know that I would like to have a Q&A video come out in the next week. So if you have any questions for me, as I said, about my life personally or with my animals, this is the video. Go ahead and post it up under. I am going to probably put a picture of the thumbnail to this video up on Instagram and see if there's anybody in the Instagram world who might have questions for me as well, and then go ahead and do a video about that in the next week. Now, something that I would really like to do, and hopefully it can happen, but I do have a lot of other expenses with my animals that I need to do before making this happen, but I would like to get a webcam and be able to do even maybe my very first live here on YouTube with my animals, and so that you guys can ask me those questions as well there, in case you don't put the questions here in the comments. So a live is something that I would like to do. It is big goals, but that's up there. Otherwise, I would still just like to go ahead and put the video together and answer all the questions that I get from you guys, either on this video or from my Instagram. So this is that video. Whatever you guys want to ask, please do that here. Now, I will say, if you ask about any specific animal care, like, oh, how do you take care of your boas, or how do you take care of your Amazon tree boas or my mangrove snake, or whatever the case may be, I definitely want to go ahead and just make those like full-on videos if it's not something that I can just easily answer. But I definitely don't want to give any type of half-cocked ass care guides in a Q&A video, because I wouldn't want to go on a long rant about it, but I would want to give you proper information. So if it's anything about specific care strategies or actual care guide questions, then please just know that if I don't answer them in the Q&A video or live, whatever I make happen, then I am planning to do a full video about that, and I will probably go ahead and let you know that in your comment as well. But if I miss you in the comments, because YouTube has that weird thing where sometimes it sends the comments into a whole different area and you have to go and approve them to be posted or whatever. I don't know what that's about, but I've discovered that, and there were a lot of comments not even seen, so I've really been having to pay a little bit of extra attention when it comes to that. But anyway, I'm starting to ramble. The point is, leave your questions below so that I can answer them, hopefully in a live, but maybe not. And yeah, you all take care. This is Rumpelstiltskin on the climbing tree, doing what he does best, having a good old time stretching. So y'all take care. Love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.